Good morning, students. This is your maths teacher. As all of you know that your vacations are over, so we will continue with our syllabus, and the next chapter is arithmetic progression. So let's start this new chapter. It's very interesting and it's a new concept for class 10th. So let's first start with the meaning of the chapter, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic means, all of you know, arithmetic means numbers, and progression means the succession of numbers. Now, arithmetic progression, as the name suggests, succession of numbers. It means it is related to sequence of numbers or the series of numbers. But which kind of series? What particular property that series follows? For that we need to go through some examples, and then we will come to the conclusion or the property that the AP series follows. For example, I am writing down a set of numbers which you know from your primary classes, and just try to identify which set of numbers this represents. Okay, now you can identify this series. It is called set of natural numbers. This is set of natural numbers. Now in this set of natural numbers you can see how the numbers are being successive numbers we are getting in the series. For example, the first number in the series is 1, the next number is 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now how we are getting the successive numbers in the series? The first number was 1. From 1 we are getting 2 by adding plus 1 in the first number. Now again from 2 we are getting 3 by adding plus 1 to 2. Similarly, by adding plus 1 to every term or every number of the series, we get the next successive numbers. Or similarly, in the another way, we can say if we subtract 1 from every set of number, we will move to the preceding number. It means 6 minus 1 we will get 5, 5 minus 1 we will get 4 and so on. So whether you move from left to right by adding 1 or you move from right to left by subtracting 1, you can see the difference between the two numbers, the difference between two consecutive numbers will always remain same, and that is plus 1. Whether you go by adding or whether you go by subtracting the numbers, the difference will always remain same, and this difference is called, since this difference is common for any two consecutive number in the series, this difference is called common difference. This difference is called common difference, and it is being represented by small d. Again I am repeating, in a series where the difference remains same in any two consecutive numbers or any two consecutive numbers from the whole series, then the series is called AP series or arithmetic progression, and this difference is called common difference D. Here the common difference is plus 1. Again I am taking another example. For example, the next series goes like this. Now can you identify which type of pattern or which set of numbers is this? As you can see, this is set of even numbers, all the even numbers. Now can you find the common difference here? Or first just identify whether the difference between any two consecutive term of this series is same or not. Yes, again it is same. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2, difference between 4 and 6 is 2, difference between 6 and 8 is 2, 8 और 2 के बीच का difference and so on. It means the difference between any two consecutive terms in the series is 2. इस सीरीज़ को आप कितना भी आगे बढ़ा लीजिए, सीरीज़ में आगे जितने भी नंबर आते जाएंगे उनके बीच का जो डिफरेंस होगा that will always remains 2. So again we will say the common difference D here. Common difference means difference between any two consecutive terms. So the common difference between any two consecutive terms here remains same, and that is 2. Now if I write the series like 10, 15, 20 and so on, is as following. Is the difference between any two terms of this series is same? You just check out, everyone. is the difference between any of the two consecutive term is same? You can find out, yes, the difference between the two consecutive term is again same. Difference between 15 minus 10 is 5, 20 minus 15 is again 5, 25 minus 20 is 5, and so on. So all these three set of sequence of numbers, we can see that the difference between any two consecutive numbers of the series from anywhere in the series remains same, whether it is the first one or the second example or the third example. In the first example, the common difference between any two consecutive numbers was 1. The common difference between any two consecutive for second example was 2, and for third was 5. So we can now we can come to a conclusion that any series where the common difference is same between any two consecutive terms throughout the series, then that series forms an AP series, or it is called arithmetic progression. Again, I am repeating the definition for AP series or arithmetic progression, and that is if in a given series the common difference between any two consecutive terms of the series or two numbers of the series remains same everywhere throughout the series, then the series is called AP series or arithmetic progression. So now we can say all the three examples which I have written here are the examples of arithmetic progression, because the difference between two numbers always remains same in the series. Now I hope you might have understood till here. If it's clear to you, I am moving to the next example. Let me take another example, just like okay. Now just find out whether this is an AP series or not, if you can. Difference between 7 and 10. Okay, one more thing, let me clear you here only, that how to find out the difference between two terms. Difference has to be find out from the successive term minus the preceding term. जो भी next successive term है उसमें से पहले वाले term को minus करके we find out the difference. So 10 minus 7, difference is 3. 13 minus 10, difference is again 3. 15 minus 13, the difference is only 2. So here you can see the difference between first two consecutive term was 3. Next two consecutive is 3, but the next time the difference becomes only 2. It means this is not forming an AP series. As per our concept, AP series contains the set of numbers where the difference between the consecutive terms should always remain same. It should not change. If it's changing, then we can say that the series is not following the proper pattern which should be followed in arithmetic progression. Okay, I am giving you one more example, then we'll move to another concepts related to this chapter. Last one more example, and you just check out whether the series which I am going to write now is following AP arithmetic progression or not. Okay students, initially we took examples which contains positive integers. Now I have taken a series where you can see the numbers are negative also. The series contains negative integers also. So just check out and tell me whether these are forming these set of numbers is forming AP series or not. So let's check out. I hope you can do it by yourself, but still for easier clarification, let me do it for you. So whether it is forming an AP series or not, to check it out, we need to subtract the consecutive terms and find out the common difference between them. So how we can do that? We'll take the second term. Term means the numbers of the series. Series में जो भी numbers आ रहे हैं, that are called the terms of the series. जैसे इस series में पहला term है 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And the number of terms is not fixed here, just I have put dot 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 means the series is being continued, series continue हो रही है यहाँ पे. मुझे series के बस कुछ ही terms पता हैं, but I have not written the whole series here. I have just put marked dot dot so that you can understood that series is continued in this manner with the same common difference plus 1. In the second series also the terms are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then you can find out the next term should be 10 plus 2 यानी कि 12. Another term would be 12 plus 2 यानी कि 14. In the third example, the series contains common difference of 5, and the series goes like the first term is 10, then 15, then 20, 25, 30. Then what should be the next term? 30 plus 5. You have to add a common difference of 5 in every term, and you will get the successive term of the series. So next would be 35, then 40, then 45, and so on. This example, it does not follow the pattern of AP series. Now we have to check out whether this fifth example is following AP series or not. Again, to just find out to check out whether it's an AP series or not, I told you to find out the common difference. Common difference के लिए we will take the two consecutive terms of the series, any two consecutive terms, and we will find out the difference, that the difference is being followed for rest of the consecutive terms or not. So subtract the first term from the second similarly and find out the difference, and similarly subtract second term from the third from the fourth. Always remain as per the terms, we have to subtract the lower term from the higher term. I am talking about the position value. सेकेंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, थर्ड टर्म में से सेकेंड टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, फोर्थ टर्म में से थर्ड टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके यू हैव टू चेक आउट द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम और नॉट. सो -2 -2 में से माइनस करना है किसको? +2 को. सो -2 -2 बिकम -4. अगेन अब है हमारे पास -5 में से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे किसको? -2 को. तो -5 में से मैं माइनस कर रही हूँ -2 को. सो -5 माइनस विल गेट +2. -5 + 2 is -3. Now you can see the common difference is not same. The difference between the second and first term was -4, but the difference between third and second term is -3. Hence we can say this series is not forming an AP series. So so students that you might have understood the basic concept of AP series or arithmetic progression and the pattern which it follows which is followed by the numbers in the series. Now let's move to some more concepts related to the arithmetic progression, and one of the concept, as I have already told you, that what are terms. Now I am starting with the next concept related to AP series. Terms किसे कहते हैं? Terms are the numbers of the series. AP series में जो भी numbers दिए गए हैं आपको, that are called terms. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. अब इस सीरीज़ में टर्म्स क्या हैं? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Dot represents, again I am repeating, dot represents that the series continues in this manner. So first is 5, 10. Difference between second and first term is, first two consecutive terms के बीच का डिफरेंस कितना है? 5. वैसे ही सेकेंड और थर्ड टर्म के बीच का डिफरेंस कितना है? 5. थर्ड और फोर्थ के बीच में 5 एंड सो ऑन. तो 25 के बाद नेक्स्ट क्या आना चाहिए? 30, देन 35 एंड सो टर्म्स क्या हो गए? टर्म्स आर द नंबर्स ऑफ द सीरीज़. उनको टर्म्स कहा जाता है. जैसे जो पहला नंबर है उसको कहेंगे फर्स्ट टर्म. जो सेकेंड नंबर है सीरीज़ का, दैट वुड बी कॉल्ड सेकेंड टर्म. द थर्ड नंबर इन द सीरीज़ विल बी कॉल्ड थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म, फिफ्थ टर्म, सिक्स्थ टर्म एंड सो ऑन. लास्ट में जो भी टर्म होगा, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो कि ये सीरीज़ कहाँ पे रुक रही है. हो सकता है ये 50 पे रुक जाए, या ये 75 तक जाके रुके, या 80 पे रुके, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो द लास्ट. तो आई विल से लेट इट बी nth टर्म. एन कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये 100 पे जाके रुक रही है या 105 पे रुक रही है. तो द लास्ट टर्म इज कॉल्ड nth टर्म. ऑल्सो कॉमन डिफरेंस here is 5. कॉमन डिफरेंस को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? डी से. डी इज़ द कॉमन डिफरेंस. कॉमन डिफरेंस मतलब दो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स के बीच का डिफरेंस. एंड if this difference is same between any two consecutive terms, the series becomes AP series or arithmetic progression. So now hope you have understood terms किसे कहा जाता है. Terms are the numbers of the sequence or the series. Difference is the difference between any two consecutive terms. Now some more important concepts, that is how to represent term. Now जो टर्म्स हैं इसमें जो पहला टर्म है किसी भी सीरीज़ का, अगर कोई सीरीज़ है एंड इट इज़ फॉर्मिंग AP पैटर्न, वो AP सीरीज़ है. AP सीरीज़ है तो हम ये कहेंगे कि उसका जो पहला टर्म है उसको हम कहते हैं A1. फर्स्ट टर्म इज़ A1. सेकेंड टर्म इज़ A2. ये इनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. टर्म 1 को आप T1 भी कह सकते हैं, टर्म 2 को T2 भी कह सकते हैं, टर्म 3 कैन बी T3, T4, T5 and so on. But I am representing them as first term as A1. A1